welcome to Contour Image, where finding and embracing your true beauty is possible. And today I am just going to be doing over a quick review some nails that I got at Walmart. They're called Impress, which I think is like the perfect name there for them. I actually just put the nails right back into the box just so that to give you a general idea, but they might be put in a little differently. But I wanted to do a review because I think they're actually really great. And so I did a quick little thing where I had to do a kind of a movie shoot or something, and I wanted some nails, and I didn't have time to paint my nails or do anything. And so I just bought those, quickly stick them on, and I wasn't sure how long they'd last, but I wanted to let you know and show this review that they last pretty well. And as you can see, they're actually still quite durable. And I'm going to be taking them off to kind of see how well they still are sticking on. It's been just a little over 3 weeks. It's going on to 4 weeks now. So it just shows you that, you know, you just have to wipe down your nail, and then there's a sticker that you peel off, and then you would just press them on your nail and probably press them on there for a few seconds, or probably a good minute or so. As you can see here, so this is one of the newer nails, and they're actually very strong and durable, as you can see. And here you'll notice there's a little tab, and what you would do is peel that off, and underneath it would be the glue, and you would take the side that you peeled this off and you'd place it up as close as you can to the cuticle. And that's how it works. And it's really that simple. And you can tell that I've grown out. When I first put them on, they didn't even look, you know, they looked like they were my real painted nails. And so you can tell they've just been growing out. Of course, I do need to take care of my nails. And I was trying to grow out my nails, so you'll notice my nails becoming pretty long because I didn't want to cut them yet because I wanted to repaint them, but they just weren't long enough. So these gave me the length I needed and a quick manicure. And you can see there is some general wear and tear that does happen over time. This is actually more or less from me peeling hard-boiled eggs. And I just happened to notice this one just kind of somehow got split and picked up. So these do work really well. This used to have a little diamond right here, as you can see here on these two nails here with the little diamond or the little pearl, and that just recently fell off. So they are pretty durable, and we're going to see how well they're still sticking on now that I want to clean them up. So we're going to start with this one, and this one actually was kind of in the process of just coming off. And so it really does leave a good amount of glue, which probably just comes fairly off. I could probably take it off maybe with acetone or just even maybe nail polish remover. I might see how that works later. But you can see my nail was growing out. I'll put that there. And we're going to try this one. I know some of these are like ready to come off, and others might be a little bit more a little harder to get off here. And it looks like they really do stay on really well. And I was really impressed by this so much. That's why I want to do this review, to show you in case you're looking for just something like they really are a quick like lifesaver if you really need your nails done and you either don't have the money or the time to go and get them done. You can just kind of quickly pick these up. They were $10 at Walmart, $9.90 something or something with tax. It's like 10 bucks, a little over 10 maybe. And so I just wanted to see. So these do, you know, come off pretty reasonable, but you can tell there's a lot of them are still really on. Ooh, that one was just kind of on there, and this one, let's see if I can kind of get it here. This one's the pinky one. Oh, I don't like the feeling of taking them off actually, because it just puts so much pressure on my nails. I don't like it, but this one looks like he's kind of, now if you soak them in warm water, it probably would work even better. But I just think I could kind of get, this one's really on. Probably because it's the pinky. You don't really use much pressure on the pinky. So it finally did come off. And so we're going to do this again. This one's going to be a good one. So we're kind of seeing the overview here. It's kind of weird. It feels weird. Probably should have just soaked my hands, but I didn't really want to do that, like I said. So you can see all the glue. Just, it really, really works really, really well. Looks like that might have been a little bit of my own nail, a little bit, but my nails have been under this for over 3 weeks. I just did not have time to do my nails, so I wasn't sure how long these were going to stay on. I was really impressed, and I'm the kind of person that also takes baths, so my nails kind of soak a little bit, and I'm usually like, you know, and so as I'm peeling, you can tell they just start to kind of go. So these would never be reused. These, especially the shine and luster on them, have kind of disappeared a little bit too. But, you know, and I know right now, it's actually during the whole COVID-19 thing going on, the coronavirus. So a lot of women right now, I noticed at Walmart that they put on like those little things that you can't slide these off the little things. You have to go ask for an associate. They basically locked them up because I think women are stealing them. So they figured, because women can't go get their nails done right now. So these are kind of like on a higher demand right now. But again, I actually just bought them, not because I go and I usually do my own nails if you watch my videos, but yeah, these were really a lifesaver for in case you're like, oh, I don't have the money or the time. Maybe you don't have the time to do your nails like I was having difficulty with. So I just grabbed these, stuck them on, and I was really impressed with how long they stayed on, over 3 weeks, and they're still on quite strong. Pinky's probably always going to be the worst because you rarely ever do that. So they really last. And I'm also going to just show you, I'll clean my nails up here in just a minute. This is them right after, and you can see my nails, I've been growing them out. I was trying to grow them out before I had to do this, so I didn't cut them when putting them on. So I'm going to clean up my nails, and I'm just going to use acetone to clean them up, so we'll do that. So I'm just kind of looking over some of the nails here. You can kind of see some of the glue. These guys really stuck on, and I was really impressed, actually, and that's why, I guess that's why they call them. And you'll see these are really strong and quite durable up until the point when I really needed to take them off. So they'll last about 3 weeks, give or take, depending on how much you work. And you can see that my nails are pretty good. I still gotta push back my cuticles and do my usual care for my nails and everything. But you can see that, you know, it didn't do any damage to my nails. I just took off the stuff and put on some cuticle cream and everything so that they look reasonable before I actually go and do my nail care, my general nail care, which I do have a video if you are interested in watching how to properly care and take care of your nails and taking off the cuticles and filing and cutting and shaping your nails. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me here at Contour Image on a review on the Impress nails. And thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. And remember to stay beautiful for life.